If I can edit it
I'm afraid
down.
this is distracting to her.
I can edit it down. Here, we're gonna eat. Open your mouth. Eat. Eat. Blair, eat. Good girl. Oh, you spit it out. Try to swallow it this time. Remember like you did earlier? Yeah, you're not spitting it out as much. That's good. Let's try again. Open your mouth. Eat. Good girl. Good girl. Dad's capturing this moment on camera. Today is December 28th, 2008. You are not quite 5 months. We're starting to eat a little bit, we think. Honey, that was wonderful. Oh my goodness. Good girl. She's totally eating this. Do you want to get a close-up of what she's eating? Rice cereal with DHA mixed with breast milk. Alright, let's eat some more. Open your mouth. Eat. Eat.
See, she's distracted.
Eat. Oh, see, look, she gets all excited and tries to put her hand in her mouth. Eat. Oh, we dove into it that time. She tried to eat it with her nose. We're getting a fast time. Open your mouth. Eat. Good girl. Good girl. I'm sure you're swallowing a little bit of this. Open your mouth. Eat. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh, your bib's coming off. Your bib's coming off a little bit. It's coming off a little bit. Okay, try to fix your bib. Let's put a tape on. There you go.
You have a nice little rice cereal handprint on your jacket now.
Oh, nice. Open. Oh, Blair, that's wonderful. You're almost eating it. I think you're eating it a little bit now. Open your mouth. Open. Open. Blair, eat. She's trying so hard. Open. Eat. That's good. That's good. Oh, see, I spilled it a little bit that time. Okay. Eat. Oh, almost. Good girl. Oh, wow. See, she gets all excited. She has to pull it in. Open your mouth. Open. Oh, you got it on your eye. You getting some of it? You getting some of it, honey? Alright, you got it on your head.
I'm still going. Do you want me to stop?
Huh?
Do you want me to stop?